Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video it is time for a new giveaway. BornPrettyStore.com has contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a giveaway because they are having their annual huge Black Friday sale. Of course, you can also use my discount code, which is FEM20, for 20% additional discount on your own purchase, but definitely check it out because you know me, I love a good deal and I love Born Pretty Store as well. I use their image plates a lot, their polishes, stamping polishes, a lot of their tools as well, so definitely check it out if you want to get something yourself because they are having a huge sale from November 27th, which is the day this video will go up, throughout November 30th. So yeah, you have a couple of days to actually shop till you drop. But of course I am doing a giveaway as well because I have just reached 30k subscribers, and Born Pretty Store is actually giving me the opportunity to hold this giveaway and actually choose 4 randomly chosen winners to win a beautiful set of cat eye gel polishes. They are so gorgeous. I am so jealous of the winner because I actually don't have these myself, but they look so gorgeous that I'm definitely looking into getting them myself. But yeah, here you can actually see the 6 piece, or at least the 6 pots of the cat eye polishes. Like, they are magnetic, so you get a little magnet with that as well. It's dual ended, so you actually have 2 different kind of magnetic effects that you can use. And yeah, they're just like, wow, look at those colors, they are so gorgeous. So yeah, in total there will be 4 winners that I will be picking randomly myself. So definitely make sure to leave an email address or an Instagram handle. Like, leaving your Instagram handle is the easiest for me because that way I can actually see if you have seen the message, and you can just reply to me at Instagram with your information, like your shipping info and so on, so I can actually send that to Born Pretty Store. That is the easiest for me. But of course, if you don't have Instagram, you can just leave your email address as well. Just make sure to get back to me as soon as possible if you are one of the lucky winners. So if you are interested in entering this giveaway, here are all the really simple rules how to enter. Of course, you have to be a subscriber and make sure it is open publicly so I can actually check if you are subscribed. And of course, hit that thumbs up as well. Give a like to this video so I can actually reach more people who might have or want a chance in winning one of these 4 sets. Of course, leave a comment with your Instagram handle or your email address so I can contact you. I will be picking these winners randomly with a little comment picker link, and I always share those at my Instagram stories as well as my YouTube stories. So yeah, if you are the winner, of course you will get a personal message from me. But if you're curious to see who has won, you can always check my stories after the giveaway has ended. You have to be 18 years or older to enter or have your parents' permission. And this giveaway is open internationally from today, November 27th, throughout December 3rd. So you have a full week to enter. I will be choosing the 4 winners randomly the weekend after. If I'm correct, it will be the weekend of December 5th. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on your Instagram or your email address to see if you have won, because I will be contacting the winners in that weekend. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you are going to enter, and of course if you haven't subscribed already, definitely do so and become a part of my little nail art family here at YouTube. I really appreciate that, and you can hit that notification bell as well if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. But once again, I love you so much. I hope to see you in one of my next videos.